Okay. So good morning, everybody, and once again, welcome back in today's class. Today, day number 14, and we are here for our next topic. So, as I gave a brief yesterday, that we are going to pick up a topic called catalogs. There are two things: catalog and request. Catalog is a configuration where request is a operational. If someone use, request will get generated. In the catalog perspective, we'll create catalog, we will create category, and we will create item. Okay. Now, how to create a catalog? Let's say I'll go and I'll search for the maintain catalog. So catalog is the first step in the catalog management. Let's say I want to make a website where anybody can log in and can request for the training, that what type of training Atul you provided. So I'm going to create a catalog for the same. So I'll put training catalog. Who is manager? And let's say Aniri is the manager for this one. Who is the editor? Why Vikram? Okay. Let's say Beth Angeline is the manager, because editor for this one might be specific rule is required. Okay. Now I can add a image to this one, a fancy things which you can do at your side. Okay. And today homework will be taken by Chandu. Okay. Chandu, take the
Yes.
homework for today. Okay.
Okay.
Everybody need to create minimum 3 catalogs. Think of anything which you want to be created. Shopping catalog, food catalog, training catalog, sports catalog, anything you can create it. Okay. Desktop images, enable wish list. You can tick and check it. That because these things are getting changed or impacted on the service portal. Oh, I will here. So up to you. You can give a try and you can do it. Okay, so nothing much. We are going to be pick up these fancy changes. The purpose has different. So I'll create a submit. Can I see this catalog in the portal? नहीं, यहाँ तो नहीं दिख रही catalog. Anybody think that why it's not appearing here? Anybody has any idea that why it is not appearing here?
See, Atul, there is maybe not be categories or item there under that catalog, or maybe not connected content or something. That's why it's
Correct.
not available
Chalo.
here.
Chalo. Someone says there's a no category and item. Chalo. ठीक है. Let's go here and go back here. Maintain category. Click new. So under the training, I have two categories. One is called techno-functional training. ठीक है. This category is mapped with the catalog called the training. Rest locations is like, is it applicable for specific location only? Like I want to show these catalogs for this particular location of the office. Okay. Generally, what my experience says, what I did in my previous client, we mainly concentrate on title and sorry, title, and this category is mapped to which catalog item. Sorry, which catalog? Icon, desktop images, header icon, classical mode images. You can try it. Okay. I this few things I added on my level, so it is not coming on the form level. Okay. Also, this thing I added it. Now, see. See. Again, coming back to this one, the question is still same. Atul, there is a no item, right? This is what your answer. See. Now, what to do? Come back here. Come back here. Maintain item. Now, to create an item, there are the multiple ways. This is one of the traditional way which we're going to be use it. This is another concept that is called catalog builder. Okay, we'll do it later. Maintain item. Maintain item means this is the last thing which a user will order. Okay, new. Now I have a catalog called training. Under that, I have a category called the techno-functional. Now you want to be join some batch. Definitely you will not join the techno-functional batch. You will join either a CSA, either ITSM, either a CSM, either HLSG batch. So this is what going to be created. CSA admin. Under which catalog you want to map this category? I want to map this catalog under a training category. Sorry, training catalog. Under which category? I want to map it as a techno-functional. Tick. Short description. CSA admin. Techno-functional. Copy and put the description like this. Okay. Just up to this part I'm doing as of now. And save. Now come back here. Now tell me why my item is not appearing here.
Sir, can you go on the first one where you created training?
This one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yellow आ गए अब यहाँ पर सब कुछ enable है देखो active है this is active this is active this is active see
Any we need to give any path so that it can like here we have given the name as a training catalog, but how it will reflect in the catalog. So for that we need to add this in like I can say table or something.
but everything is active, right? Everything is active, then why it's not appearing it? You only said, na, right? Someone said in the discussion, Atul, there's a no item, there's no category, so it's not appearing. We done that part, still not appearing. The
Yes,
reason
sir,
being, what?
because if we go on where we can see other catalog category, So it's not necessary that everything is having something in under it. Category, if we are creating category initially, so it should reflect first, right?
But see, I created in front of you only. While creating the catalog, I have the same question. After creating the item, I have the same answer question. Yes, go ahead, Pratap.
Atul, is this something related to user criteria that might not be visible on
No.
the portal? Okay.
No. The reason being, and this is something which I always hide it from everybody because I have this question in my mind. This catalog is there, but this catalog is not map where to show it. See, this is a separate table. This is a separate page. How you will link these two things together? So if you go back here in the catalog, you will see here catalog portal pages. Or if I go back here to show you some more easy way portals, LNG. And here, did you find one thing? Catalogs. This mapping is missing. So if I click on edit and add my training catalog and save, and now this is appearing. Techno functional CSA admin. Clear hua, Vikram? So this mapping is missing. Now if you go back here, let me show you here. Dev employee center. Even though we don't have this thing here, can I see? See, popular topics. यहाँ पे तो appear ही नहीं हो रहा. Because for the ECS portal, we have to be add this particular catalog item with the topic. Only then it will work. This is the homework for you guys. Go and do the research how to bring a catalog item on the ECS portal. देखो यहाँ पर तो दिख रहा है ये Apple MacBook 15. Why is not my topic is associated here? Why is not my item is showing here? ये यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं दिख रहा? So go and check the configuration that why this is be appearing. Why not my topic is appearing? My item is appearing here. The only thing is that there is a mapping is missing. Rest all done, all good. So if I map this item or my item to the right topic, deal done. Close, all set. What we have done, we create a very basic one. Now, as I said that if you order the soup, waiter will ask, sir, do you need hot or do you need it's like what I can say, more spicy
extra
kind of thing.
cream.
Extra cream. So these are the variables. Now, what we will do, there is nothing much to be do on the catalog or the category, because ultimately what you order the item, not the category. In this one, few things are there. Number one, process engine. When you submit a request item, how it will go and work in the background. whose approval is required, which tasks need to be get created. All these things come under the process engine. We'll hold it for some time. Abhi nahi. Pictures, up to you. You can give a try for icon and picture, up to you. Now, if someone says, Atul, how much you charge for the training? I can show the pricing as well. So I can say I charge in this, because whenever you join a new company and your boss or manager say that hey, go and log a request for the laptop. Now you are the part of IT team. Or might be you are joining the HR domain. But you need a laptop. And that laptop is provided by the IT team. And IT team will be charged back to you. That for 1 year, the charge is 500 rupees and recurring price is a 200 per month. So this is mainly based on the use case, that what type of item you are building it. Just to show you, it will be daily, weekly, monthly. I said monthly. Portal settings. Easy to do. All checkbox. What you have to be do? Create a catalog item and then make a change in this. So request method. So you are able to see this button. I don't want to be show order now. I want to be show request. Showing request. Now I want to be hide and I want to show something more. This is your homework. Hide to cart, hide quantity, hide delivery time. Check all these things. Check one option, come back here, reload this page and see what is be changing here. You will find the changes easily. Nothing, no refreshment, no cache clear, nothing is there. Just tick and tick, come back to portal and see what is be happening. Now the important part is this. These two and these two. Variable. Variable are the one which we say are not stored or get changed every time. Might be when Pratik is going for a dinner, he order a more creamy soup. But when Pratap is going for a dinner, he order less creamy soup. Same variable, but two different values. So variables is mainly to be used to get more understanding about the product, that what you want to be buy it. So like if I give example, might be you go to Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart, you want to be order some chair or you want to be order some table. What are the variables you will see? That is chair is bendable or not, has a headrest or not, has a footrest or not, have an armrest or not, is how much height it can be done, which color are this. So multiple variables are there. And might be based on the variables, the process also gets changed. Like I was ordering something for my kid from Amazon. We change the color, the price get changed. 10 pounds has been increased just for the price. So what this means that we can use these variables to run our flow. If any user who is raising a request from India, I want to be show him amount in the INR. But if someone is raising a request from Canada or US, I want to be show request, sorry, I want to show amount in the dollar. Means there are multiple types of variables variables are available. Click on the new. So variables are like your dictionary entries, which we see in the table level, but actually not the dictionary entries. So don't get confused. What type of variable you want? Single choice, multi choice, numeric scale, reference, requested for. These are there. Now homework for you. If you are creating a catalog, let's say you're creating one catalog category only. Under that, create minimum 3 to 5 items, and each item must have 4 different type of variables. Let's say checkbox. Do you have hobbies? This is the question which is visible to the user. Sorry, visible to to the end user. This is something which you use in your scripting, in your coding, in your flow. Checkbox है, how you want to show it? 25%, 50%, it's just a variable length. Do you have any default value? Auto populate, we'll discuss after this. Permission, who can read, who can write, and availability, where you want to be show. You want to show in the bundles, you want to show in the summary, you want to show in the guide. And this is again your homework, because this is one of the topic. Either you're working as an architect, either you start working as a developer. This topic must be in your heart. Now, order 10 means in which sequence it should be appear. Save. Up checkbox hai. So if I go back here to show you, let it be saved quickly. Yep. Now come back and see. आ गया? Checkbox. Do you have hobbies? Yes or no? Tick. This one is this, right? Now if I go and create a new one, let's say I want, if Pratap is raising a request, then Pratap's manager should appear, or Pratap's email should appear as a variable. So first what we'll do, we'll create a reference type. Reference to logged in user. Type specification, because it is a reference, so you have to be referred to some table. I said refer to the sys_user table. Okay. You want to put some reference qualifier, like do you want to be show some specific kind of records, location is this, or manager is this, or these things, you can put it there. Save. Now I want to show. So now if you go back here and just refresh. Again, let's say I want to show Ayush's manager here. Create a new variable. Again, reference. Or you can take a single line text. Question. Manager. and now go to auto populate. Means I want to populate the value of this particular variable based on the value of the other variable. Dependent question. Logged in user. What you want to be show of the logged in user? I want to be show the email ID of that logged in user and save. Now, if I select, let me select my ID because I have a manager allocated admin. Now you can see my email ID is appearing. This auto populate feature was introduced by ServiceNow somewhere in New York release. Earlier, to do this auto population, we have to write a script, but now it is quick and easy. But this will work only for the reference fields. See, if you notice, we have two variables, like, but still appearing only one because this particular functionality work only for the reference. Reference से and this concept is called the dot work. So I am logged in. I'm going to log in user table, and from the user table, I'm picking up the, let's say, manager. Now click on save. If I reload it again, admin, see, it is showing my manager's sys ID. It means something wrong here. Again, a homework for you. ये weekend का homework भी है for you. This is weekend homework as well. Why in my PDI this manager is showing the sys ID instead of showing the name? You have to find out the reason behind that. And these are the homework. Now, what this mean? You need to be create different type of variables. So this is what I want to be show you. Now, can I create a choice? Yes, why not? Let's say I am raising an incident and incident is a priority or the urgency, but urgencies already exist in ServiceNow. Let go back. Let's open this one again. And let's add a new one. Last option, then we'll go move forward. Choice. दो है multi choice, lookup multi choice. You have to do both exercise. Because why I'm telling you, because this is one of the area where customer never compromise. Customer say, I want to show these variables to my user. Multiple choice. Let's say your hobbies. Auto populate availability, want to be see type specification. Now see, I put the multiple choice. It said how you want to be show the choices, down or across. I said down. Do you want to include none? Yes. And then click save. Now we have to define the choices as well. See, new text choice, hobbies, music, MU, submit. Now second one, teaching, TE, submit. Come back here, reload it. And now you can see. Now you will say it was a multi-choice. Yes, it is a multi-choice, but it's not a checkbox or a multi-choice. So why it's coming none? Because I mentioned that I want to be see add none. Remove this, put this, save, reload. See, it has been changed. Up to you. If these are the variable, then what do you mean by the variable set? And why variable set is important? Variable set are the combination or the collection of variables which you can use anywhere in your request. I give example. Let's say Bhavya has its own school. She's principal and she's running a school. Okay. Now in her school, if he publish or if you get printed the letterheads, or the school tests are going on, so printing of the exam questions, printing of the pamphlets, brochure, in these things something is very common, is that a standard format. Either it is a question paper, either it is a brochure, either it is a letterhead. It will contain school name, registration number, address. If this is the case, then why she will create different variables for different type of printing, like creating this different variables for pamphlet, different variables for paper one. It's not look good. So this concept variable set is in the picture. Let me update. You can see a variable set here. Variable set here. This is interesting, variable set. And variable set is also used a lot. New. There are two type of variable sets. Single row, multi-row. Multi-row is too famous, too known. Okay. First, we'll discuss single row. Title, introduction. Means, let's say I talk to Manish and I say, Manish, can you get everybody's name, gender, location, and date of birth? Now, Manish has two options. Number one, he sent an email to everybody in a table format. So that people can come and reply. That is called the single row variable set. This is what we are doing. So in the single row, this is the container, and how you want to be show 2 by 2 or 3 by 2? I said 2 by 2. Save. And under this, we'll create a variable. Same concept which we discussed just now. So now you can see like this. Same which we discussed, it's appearing here. So for the reference, I'm just putting a single text. Name, submit. ठीक है? Then manager name. Just for the reference, I'm creating a quick one. And submit. ठीक है? Come back here. Reload this page. This is my single variable set. Name, manager name. Now, in this class, we just have 20 people. Manish is still okay. But if this is the case of the 100 people, then Manish will get mad to get the data. Or let's say Manish is a team lead and his boss says, hey, we are going for the team outing. Can you get the details from the team that who is vegetarian, who is non-vegetarian? Can you raise a request for everybody? Manish says, come on, I have 30 people under me. I can't raise a request for each one individually. Then the concept called multi-row variable set come in the picture. Same thing, new MRVS. Let's say for all. Enter name for all and save. And let's say 2 by 2 column. Now in this, what is the different one? New. Sorry, how do we save it? Click on the new. And same thing I will create it here as well. Single line text, name. Save. Homework में देना हो. It is going to be good homework for everybody. Okay, क्या name तो already this करते चलो ऐसे करते name underscore first. And save. ठीक है? Let's create another one. Sorry, update करते हैं better रहेगा. Second. Reference. Manager. Type. Sys underscore user. And submit. ठीक है? Now, because it was the catalog item versus other variable, the same name as treated. Let's control user. Okay, ठीक है. Now, when I go back here and refresh my page, your work will be more easy. This is multi-row variable set. Add manager Ayushi name AS manager able name 80. It means now with the use of MRVS, you can add multiple variables in one go in a set format. I'm again telling MRVS. MRVS means multi-row variable set is very famous in the catalog items. Might be I want to be capture name, age, gender, date of birth for all my team. So instead of creating 10 different items, I can create MRVS in a single catalog item and I can use it. Question, clarification, doubt.
Sir Vikram.
Go ahead, Vikram.
In the you given multiple choice like where music and teaching was there, right?
All right.
So we cannot select like if I want to select both, so
No.
both.
Then you have to be use a checkbox data type.
Okay. So when it comes on the choice, then it should be only one we can select.
Yes.
And
yes.
If we want to give more option, like more selection option, then it should be checkbox.
Checkbox. Right. ठीक है?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Anything else? Anybody? Any doubt? Go ahead, Pratap.
So Atul, just one question. So whenever we create any catalog, then category, and under that category there is a catalog item. So is it catalog item always a request, or is it always a request or something else we can add there?
What do you mean with the word something else?
Something is let's say in let's say request we are requesting something. There may be a text field and we are requesting. But maybe is there any let's say if anyone open the catalog item under this category, so there may be a KB article there, right? Knowledge article.
No.
Yeah.
That is different type actually.
Okay.
So that is called the what I can say. That is content or external content. Something is there. So practically, if I say there is a concept called the record producer. So there is a concept called the record producer. So everything which you're able to see here under this catalog, or under this catalog category, everything is a record producer. But request is a different type of record producer. There's a one more thing called the record producer, which we use to create an incident. So on the broader side, it's too much. But as you said that, Atul, I want to be show a knowledge article. Knowledge article will come from the knowledge base. But yes, you can link a knowledge article to show with this relative part as well. So like if you're ordering something from Amazon, let's say you're ordering a phone. In the bottom, you start getting suggestion. You're purchasing phone plus headset or the earpod plus wireless charger, right? Those are the related products yours. If you go back here, let me update it. Update it again. हो जा भाई. Yep. So did you see this thing? Related articles. So you have to tag it here. So if I tag articles here, and if I tag related catalog items here, let's say just adding it randomly, click. And now if you go and refresh, see, आ गई है items, आ गए articles. So think that when you order something from any of the e-commerce website, how you get the suggestions, how you get that I'm purchasing. So I order, as I say, I order something. I ordered that kind of a. There's a concept called bubble gun, which put this bubbles, this water bubbles. I was ordering that for my son, and I'm getting suggestions. For bubble gun, you can order the liquid separately. How this come? Because in the background they have link like this. This is very much important thing from the business perspective. How important these features. If you're looking for, you're ordering a laptop. I want to show you that when you receive a laptop, how you can configure the laptop. Let me show you the article immediately so that you can read it. So from the business perspective, it is a very important concept. Clear now?
Yeah, clear now.
Good. Okay. So now one
Sir,
part
can
has
we?
been, yeah. Go ahead,
Sorry,
Vikram.
can we add any link? For example, as you said, if you're ordering a laptop, so like
कहाँ पर add करना है? Where
in
you
the
want to be
same
added?
where I want to add, like in the catalog where I can see the catalog item.
यहाँ
So
पर ना?
we will provide the specification of the that laptop. Along with that, if it's a Dell laptop and I want to share a link in the catalog uh, from Dell.
हो जाएगा ना? देखो, so that is what the homework I gave to you. Go here. You were looking for link, right? See, do we have something called the URL? Yeah.
Okay.
L. Now, how to put the URL? You can put it here. Might be this one. I'm not sure, but you can try this one. Or the default value, or might be this. So default value can be Dell.com. Save. Come here. आ गया. Done. ठीक है. So you can do that. That is what I'm saying, that when I give a homework, it is just not a homework. These are the boundaries for you to go outside now. So if you think, Atul, can we have, might be, if it is I'm adding a record of a child. So I want to be add child, comma father and mother. Do you have something, this kind of a variables as well? This is called value pair. I'm not sure that it is be applicable here or not. So read about the value pair concept is there. Not sure it's a variable or what, but you can see there is a concept called the value pair. ठीक है? So more you do the troubleshooting, more you do the hands-on, more you do the practice, you can learn more. So almost like 20 होंगे यहाँ पर max. 20 में से few you already know. Checkbox, break, कलर, ये दिस तो हमें पता है. जो नहीं पता वो करते हैं, वो करके देखो क्या है. अटैचमेंट्स है, ब्रेक है, स्टार्ट है, कंटेनर स्टार्ट एंड स्प्लिट, क्या चीजें हैं ये. ठीक है. So now one thing which is be completed here is that catalog item. वेरिएबल एंड वेरिएबल सेट। अब इसमें एक चीज और होमवर्क है, चंदू प्लीज कीप एवरीथिंग in a bundle and send to the WhatsApp group homework. If you notice that every variable has these three options. Oh, these three options, four options, sorry. If it is a variable, it has a 3. If it is a variable set, it has a 4. Give a try of this, what this mean. Take this box, go and check on the portal level. And in the variable set, we have one more option called the unique. ये क्या करता है unique? Mainly it is not work here, it will work in the MRVS, क्योंकि वहां पर आपके मल्टीपल वैल्यूज जाते हैं। So check what this hidden mean and how it's work. Sorry, unique mean and how it's work. I give you a use case what people ask in the community. Can I remove? Let's say I'm adding one record here. Can I remove this cross button? Can I hide this edit button? This is what the inquiry or query came in the community from the people. Think about that. Also, what does the default value mean? What it will do if I add it here? Let's say if I put ABC, will it work? See, it is showing, but actual value does not exist. ABC does not exist. So उसको record ही नहीं मिल रहा है. So put the default values and see how the default value can be generated or can be added here. Is it only by simple just writing the name, or is it something like where to be write some kind of a code as well? ठीक. So ये तो चलता रहेगा. That is as I said a few days back as well. This batch I'm running in a very different perspective now. I am giving you more and telling you less so that you explore it. Now, one thing which is we need to be do now is that, okay, item to ban gaya. I am working in a company where I have a HR department, legal department, finance department, multiple departments are there. Okay. I don't want to show this catalog item to the finance department. And finance department don't want to show his item to the legal department. So there is a concept called yes, wait. There is a concept called the user criteria. What this mean? Yeah. This mean in this particular section, if you create any kind of a criteria which says that I want to show this catalog item only to the people who are from the India location, or I want to be show this item only to the people who are the manager. These things are come under the user criteria. User criteria is used in the knowledge articles as well, which is not the part of this discussion, that is ITSM training part. Okay. We can create a user criteria based on the specific username, based on the group, based on the role, based on the company, based on the location, based on the department. I want to be show this item only and only to the people who are from the department finance. I want to show this item to the all the people who are from the North America and the department is HR. Two combinations. I want to show this item to the people who are from the location North America, department is finance and role is change manager. Third combination. So we can create different type of user criteria and we can use it. And you can see it can be used in the change model, service catalog and the knowledge. User criteria is very much again important part, at least in the catalogs and then the knowledge management. If now if I go back, I'm not going to be created. This is here to be created. I just show you. Click on the edit. See, problem analyzer, AS user, ACM North America, corporation, any user for the KB, catalog builder developer, guest user, HR alumni, all these are user criteria created by the service out of the box. Up to you what you want. And whenever you are creating a catalog items or getting the requirement of the catalog item, please ask your customer, do you want to show it to everybody? Or you have some restrictions on the place. So they will tell you. If you are not putting anything under the available for or not available for, this item will be visible to everybody. This item will be visible to everybody. So if you want to restrict, make sure you add something here. But if you adding something that not available for, then it is except this criteria, it is available for everybody. Then no need to be add specific something that available for. Clear हो गई बात? Doubt, question, clarification. बताइए.
Sir,
कोई
please
doubt नहीं है?
open that available for.
बताओ.
उधर वो कुछ लॉक्स जैसा आ रहा था ना सर,
कहाँ पे?
अवेलेबल फॉर जब आपने एडिट किया या न्यू क्रिएट किया तो
ये
नहीं
अच्छा
नहीं
वो
नहीं
ओके 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 ओके. मेरे दोस्त आप इसकी बात कर रहे हो.
हाँ.
अच्छा चलो ये भी देखो. दिस इज अ गुड होमवर्क. व्हाट टाइप ऑफ दिस फील्ड इट इज? रेफरेंस भी नहीं है, सिंगल लाइन टेक्स्ट भी नहीं है, तो व्हाट टाइप ऑफ फील्ड इट इज?
these are like table already given in the service now.
भाई ठीक है टेबल है, बट दीज आर कमिंग ऑन विच टेबल? यूजर क्राइटेरिया टेबल. इट मींस ये उसमें कॉल किए गए हैं, रेफर किए गए हैं, बनाए नहीं गए.
Okay.
Why it's showing like this way? Because it is a type of glide list. अलग ही टाइप का कुछ है ये देखो. ठीक है. So now your homework is, let me come back here. Create at least one catalog, at least one category, at least 3 to 5 catalog items, and each item must have a different type of variable and variable set. कुछ भी रैंडम डेटा डाल के देखो, चेक करके देखो कि क्या हो रहा है. You have to be test this functionality. You have to be test hidden, mandatory, read only, or unique functionality on the variable level as well. Create a variable available for, not available for user criteria, and test it. Build this thing in next 2 days, and then tomorrow we are going to be discuss about the flow designer. A humble request to everybody, please don't take leave tomorrow. Something we're going to be discuss which is important and a heart for or heart of the service now, which is you're going to be used in every module. Okay, so we'll both explore together. I'm not saying that I'm expert in that flow, but we'll explore together. Okay. Mr. Vardhan, all clear? Oh, go ahead, Vikram.
Like जैसे हम पीछे सीखे इंसिडेंट फॉर्म क्रिएट करना या चेंज फॉर्म, तो अभी ये कैटलॉग जब हम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं तो एक फॉर्म जैसा क्रिएट हो रहा है, राइट? तो ये जैसा जैसा हम पहले इंसिडेंट फॉर्म क्रिएट किए या वैसा कुछ, वैसा ये भी अलग से क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, या जब कैटलॉग क्रिएशन का ऑप्शन आएगा तो वो अपने आप बिल्ड होता
वो
जाएगा?
अपने आप हो जाता है, वो अपने आप बिल्ड हो जाता है. So mainly we are, this is what I'm saying, that this is the back end, this is the front end. So आप वहां से मटेरियल डालते जाओ, यहाँ पर वो बनता जाएगा अपने आप.
ठीक है.
It's all about the configuration, और कुछ नहीं है.
थैंक यू सर.
ठीक है जी. Yes, Mr. Vardhan, all clear now? Homework, कोई doubt?
Yes, sir. One catalog. Sir,
One
can I-
catalog, one category, 3 to 5 items. Every item must contain 3 to 4 type of variables and different type of variables set. User criteria. Options on the catalog item like hide on draft or these things, and option on the catalog, variable level, unique, hidden, need to be checked.
Yes, sir.
Good. Yes, go ahead, Gaurav.
Good morning, sir.
Morning,
Sir, I have a question. Like, in the last release, like Flow Designer and Workflow Studio were both different, but like I think in the Xanadu version, or they integrated both of them together, right? Like,
Yep.
Flow Designer was a part of Workflow Studio, but in yesterday you said that in Zurich they are removing Workflow.
Yes.
So why are they doing that? Like after integrating both of them together?
नहीं देखो, I'll not say that they're removing it, but they're not shipping it. What this mean, that workflow is something which exists for ages now. Okay, even though if you notice in this item, execution plan, it is too old. Like when I started my ServiceNow journey in 2015, by the time I'm seeing that, but it is still exist. So the purpose of it's I'll not say it's not removing. The purpose of this means that they want the customer should use the flow designer now, because in the flow flow are the low code functionality. In the workflow you have to be write a lot of code, but in the flow minimum code is required. It's like a drag and drop. So ServiceNow say let's push everybody to go for the flow now, so that low code, the system should be low code always. So like I give example for the auto populate, right? We see in this variable till I guess New York or that version, it was scripting only. You have to write 3-4 line script and then it will work. But now it's no scripting. Everything has been done. So making the user experience better, they're getting a good feedback on the flow. In the flow, you can integrate multiple things easily, which is not possible in the workflow. Or not that easy in the, I'll not say possible, that's not easy in the workflow. So ServiceNow is in the Zurich that now I'm stopping building the workflows. I'm recommending to go for the flow designers. Like before Xanadu as well, knowledge management, change management were using the workflow. But now everything has been moved to the flow designer. Knowledge management was using the workflow, but now it is using flow designers because that is more optimized. When I remember in my young days, there was an ad came on the TV, and that is was Nirma Super. कम दाम में मिले को तो ये क्यों ले वो ना ले. The same thing is applicable here. If you know that by using the flow designer your work is more easy, then why you want to use the workflow? Let's remove it. If I did not give the homework to you, I can guarantee you nobody will open the instance every day. Because I'm giving the homework, I'm tracking your homework as well. You're doing the homework. So if I need to push my users to my customer to use the flow, I have to remove the workflow as well. And might be they have a plan to be remove execution plan as well. Later on, they will remove it. We are in the next experience now. But do you know that ServiceNow is still using, or there's still customer, there's still users who are using the native view, UI 16, UI 15 as well, people are using till now. Because that is fine. That is not going to impact them much. But flows are the automation source, automation medium for everybody. So they want to move it to users and they give a heads up now. Hey, from the Zurich onwards, I'm not taking anything. So start working. If you're on the Yokohama, start moving your things. If you're on the Xanadu, start moving your things. So that people get time and they will move it. ठीक है जी गौरव?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, if no other doubt question, let me stop the recording and take attendance now.